So now for reactivating the deactivated Snapchat account, you first of all don't have to open the Snapchat, but you have to go back and open App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open Play Store if you are on Android. And after opening App Store or Android, you have to search here. Before moving forward, let me tell you that at the end of this video, I'm also gonna tell you that how you can recover the streaks which you have lost during the deactivation period of your Snapchat account. So hold tight with me. So after opening App Store or Play Store, search it here Snapchat, and after that, when Snapchat app appears up, open it, and you first of all have to update your Snapchat app. If you have a pending update, you first of all have to update Snapchat, and after updating the app, go back and now open the Snapchat app. Let's go for use another account. You have to first of all simply type here the username of the account which was deactivated, and after that type in here the password of that account which was deactivated. If you don't remember the password of your account, you have to go to forgot your password tab, and here you can recover your Snapchat password via phone or email. But if you remember the password, simply type in the password here, and after that press the login button, and now let's see what happens. As soon as you press the login button after typing in your username and your password, your Snapchat account will be reactivated after the deactivate. Now if you want to deactivate it again, a link of the video is mentioned in the description and the end screen as well. And now let's see that how you can recover your lost streaks. For knowing so, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'm waiting for you in that video which is now displaying in the end screen. See you buddies.